I got laundry going, I got dog itching, I got cat itching. It's just all so disruptive.
Yep.
Are you done? Are you done?
No?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special, well, I guess a couple special guests today. Today, Jake is here with our dog, Boland. Boland's not gonna be in the rest of the video. Jake is gonna do my makeup today. For those of you that don't know, Jake is my husband. We've been married for about 1.5 years, right? It'll be 2 years in October. So Jake doesn't know anything about makeup other than what he hears from me, and he knows that I spend way too much money on makeup, right? Today we're gonna see what kind of look he comes up with. I have laid out my makeup in order of products, that way he kind of has a little bit of a way to go here. I'm really just leaving it completely up to him, color-wise and style, whatever. I may offer a little bit of guidance, but I'm really gonna try not to help as much as possible. And I actually think you're gonna surprise me with how much you know, because sometimes I catch you actually listening to me talk about makeup.
I'm good at pretending.
But we'll go ahead and get started. So tell the people what you're starting with.
Smashbox, because it sounds cool.
Yeah, it does sound cool. You can use your hands if you want to. Don't use it a lot. You're so aggressive. Gentle, Jake. Out.
That's what happens when you open your mouth too much.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, alright.
Just let me do my thing. Okay. Now we're putting on the foundation. We're going to use this one right here because she thinks she's tan and it's not even close to her.
What's that? You have primer all over my mouth.
So you have to keep going.
I'll stay still, I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to use this because I see her use this.
Cat? The cat's being loud even outside.
I know. And you gotta get down here and make it look like she's actually tan.
There you go, he's so good. You know I always put makeup on my neck.
I know. I get under the chin because then there's short people like me that can see it.
I love how you're holding my head right now.
Right?
It's like, nah, hold still. Nah, hold still. Nah, hold still.
Yep. Now you move too much.
I do, I'm sorry.
Yeah, what is this?
Concealer.
I don't know what it does.
I might have.
That's concealer.
Ooh, that's a lot. You might want to wipe some of that off a little bit. Yeah, if I have any blemishes or dark circles under my eyes, then you can use that. If you don't think I need it, that's okay.
Am I supposed to say no or am I supposed to do it?
Doesn't matter, you're the makeup artist today.
Her.
Today I am the student
Where-
under my eyes.
Her eyes.
That's so aggressive. Because every man's idea of gentle still needs to be dialed back like 10 more notches for a woman's version of gentle.
I'm educating people.
You are.
Yes. We're going to use this. I'm going to figure out which color palette she wants or I want, and I'm going to make her cheekbones stand out.
Yes.
I'm supposed to have a brush, not a brush. Okay, we're going with more of a coffee color.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh,
Perfect.
Oh,
Perfect.
no.
Look at that. I love it. She promised to keep this on the entire day.
Oh,
yeah.
no.
Oh yeah.
I should have known this. You're just gonna be an asshole about doing my whole cheek. Oh my god. Those cheekbones though.
Right. You gotta
Looking-
make sure.
Looking.
That one dude on that you maybe watched that one video said use not too much, but
Oh my god, look how dark that blush is.
yeah, it was a little darker than anticipated. So what we're gonna do? I'm gonna get a rag and wipe that off real quick.
I'm going back. It's not coming back from this.
All right. This is how
Oh my god, are people gonna think I'm wearing blackface?
No.
This is gonna turn into a racist video.
He's covered up.
Fix me up. I don't want people to think I'm racist. Alright, it's getting better. It's all part of the process, right?
Mm-hmm. Boom, cheekbones.
Yes.
Going to actual eye makeup, and you gotta make it match your face, so I'm going darker.
Oh. Mmm. Okay, alright. You know.
What is this?
Mascara. It's a little bit one eyeshadow color.
Am I supposed to do more?
No. Sometimes you can just do one.
Yeah.
If that's is that what you were going for today?
That's what I'm going for. Just simple and.
Oh my god.
This is how you cover bruises if something happens.
Put on a lot of dark makeup.
Exactly.
People are gonna think that you beat me.
Yeah, well,
Oh my god, please be careful. I don't like it. Oh, I don't like it. Oh my god.
Gotta stay still, honey.
I can't when you're jamming the mascara in my eyeball. Oh, my eyes are watering profusely. Oh.
Alright.
Yes. We're working it.
Mm-hmm. I learned how to do this from my niece Amelia.
I think she's gonna be offended. I'm sure she can do makeup pretty well.
She taught me how to do it when she was 3.
She's like a grown adult now.
Close. And as we've all seen from Ink Master, you have to line it first.
Mm.
And with colors, we'll fill it in to the line.
You're gonna give me some full lips today, huh?
Yeah, full lips.
Oh yeah, you didn't tell them what kind of lipsticks you're using today.
Using,
NYX.
yeah.
Liquid Suede.
Mm-hmm.
We have a variety of colors over here.
Up to the line.
I don't like the way you're smiling.
And this is how you get guys to quit hitting on your wife.
Is that what we were doing today? Look how yellow my teeth look. Oh my god.
Yeah, she's going to Tampa today, so she's looking real pretty today. Mm-hmm.
Now give me a kiss.
Nah, I'm gonna kiss that.
Oh, I think the blue lip could be fun without the outline.
You have to outline it. I would learn that from Ink Master.
You're not even, you're like barely in the frame here.
That's okay.
Eh. Well.
And if you have a better person that doesn't move around too much, you don't get stuff all over the eyes. But it goes with the, insane clown posse look that we were going for today.
You didn't put any blush on me.
I put
You didn't put
like
any
$50
eyeliner.
worth of makeup on you. I wasn't gonna do anymore.
You didn't put any eyeliner on me either.
Alright.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I'm not wearing this ever.
She has to wear it today. She's
No.
going to Tampa.
No.
Mhm.
But you did have some makeup knowledge that I'm impressed that you remembered. I don't think you used it because you wanted to play a prank on me instead of being serious. Thanks for being a great sport. I know you would rather not be doing my makeup today, so I appreciate you being here. Maybe next time we could be serious?
Probably not.
No? Okay. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, even though I don't want anyone to see me like
Remember,
this ever
line
again.
it and fill it to the line.
So the important lesson
That is the
here
important
today.
lesson.
Okay.
Yes.
Subscribe. The fuck was that? That bowl fell off the
Yeah.
washing machine. Remember not to leave any glasses on top of your washing machine while it's on, because apparently they'll fall off and shatter. So I gotta go. Please subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.